Scroober, show me that
I
giant
want to
beard.
scream.
9 minutes of pain,
I
please.
feel nothing but
9 minutes
anger,
of
Polish that
hatred,
giant
malice,
beard. Sign me,
hatred.
Marcus Scroober.
I am a beacon of hatred.
You know what? Now because you said
Who
that,
the
I
fuck
think I'm
said
gonna.
that?
Yo, it's
All
let's
right,
go,
man.
man.
Look at the gang, Jimmy.
If I go another 2 hours, can I go with your mom, Jimmy?
Yeah, can we gangbang your mom, Jimmy?
All
Oh,
VC
no.
and Carl's chat gang.
We're gonna toss your
Jimmy's
mom like a
mom.
chip salad.
Carl only gangbang. Come on, Jimmy.
Welcome to the Carl Council. We fuck your
My
mom.
army of Carl clones will rape your mom, Jimmy. Come on.
Oh, hell, I didn't try to
Somebody fucking left.
God.
Jimmy,
Oh,
please,
God,
I'm
I'm
horny.
Oh, for
Jimmy,
fuck's
Does your
sake.
mom have an OnlyFans?
I'm a
I like
Carl,
when
man.
you call some 100.
You see, Jimmy, instead of studying the normal schools of magic, I specialize in the art of necromancy.
Necromancy.
Necromancy. I specialize in negromancy.
Whoa, that's kind of racist, Carl. What the hell?
Don't worry, he's just learning how to drive.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. I'll smack you in the face.
No, he is a racist by
I can't believe
driving.
You know about negromancy. It's kind of dark arts, don't you
Look.
think?
If we're gonna have alternative cars, there's gotta be at least one racist Carl.
Yeah, that's fair. You didn't have women's rights and black people? Yeah.
Shane is the minority.
Say Steve, it's a
If
minority.
it were for black people, we'd be fine. There'd be no crime, or at least it'd be massively reduced. That's a big statistic, man. We'd be super safe. What the hell, Jimmy?
Despite only making
White America
4%
will
of
be
the
safe,
population,
Jimmy. White America will be clean.
black people
My
make
God.
over 50% of all crime.
Jimmy, can you make a device to make black people into white people?
Jimmy, I think Hitler was onto
Yeah, like
something.
it genetically alters them to be white so they have a higher IQ.
I approve the Carl Edna state.
I'll give you platinum if you give me a big cock.
Fucking hell.
For somebody who's not into this whole thing, they're probably
you-
going with this.
Can you turn me into a furry, Jimmy?
Ah, that was me. That was me before this. I was like, oh, what do you think about that? There's a ton of people here. He joins. Oh, okay, so we're just gonna do this thing where I hear a bunch of calls in the fucking camp, and then all of a sudden the sergeant
Yeah,
appears
get
and hears them and says, who the fuck said
Yeah,
that?
this is awesome.
And it's just a freaking...
Come on,
It's like, a
baby.
fucking, it's like the fucking meme where the
This
guy
penis
imitates
is all
Carl and then
yours.
fucking the sergeant appears. And he's just like, who the fuck said that?
I don't know.
I'm about to smack a bitch. You have
Why
5
are you
seconds
so
to
good
do
at this?
it right now.
We've been doing
You
this for
guys are
5
amazing.
hours. 1 hour. I don't know. Honestly, that's understandable, fellow Carl.
4 more minutes. 4 more minutes, and an hour has
We got
passed.
4 minutes of being Carl. That's kind of awesome.
We have done this for almost an hour now. Almost an hour.
An hour of Carl
I'm
Weezer.
impressed.
That's kind of poggers.
Soon.
The Jews fear the samurai, Jimmy.
The Jews fear the samurai.
Did you fear Carl Weezer?
I hope someone was recording this.
The Jews fear the samurai.
Oh, that's pretty cool. You piece of shit. God damn it, other Carl.
That's not
You
poggers.
could have gotten a full
Ken
hour of
Raper.
Carl Wheezer.
Ken Raper.
How about you shut the fuck up, bitch? Yeah, send me the video file. I want to upload it to my Discord. I mean Twitter.
For fuck's sake, Fat Albert.
Yeah. I want to upload to my Twitter so I can get more people in here, man. Why am I turning into fucking Shaggy? Like Jimmy, I'm turning into Shaggy, man.
Jimmy.
Like
Oh
Zoe.
no.
Oh man, all these Carl Weezers, man.
Jimmy, I think I'm turning into a black man.
I hope you go there, start to
Fuck's
destroy.
sake.
Is that what a mole is?
Oh
Did I
shit,
just
he
hear
has
someone's
a gun.
gun call?
He has a gun.
Oh my god, that
Carl has a
Carl
gun.
has a
Carl
gun!
has a
Everyone
fucking
get
gun.
down!
Get down! Get down!
What do you want? Oh.
He's got a gun! Get
No,
down!
Shabby's cool. Whoa, it's Big
Hey,
Baby.
with me, bitch. You don't have the balls.
Whoa.
Do it now.
Shoot him, come on.
Carl,
Do
put the
it,
gun down.
faggot.
Can I have a cheeseburger?
Oh god, it's so chaotic.
I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
Is this what hell is? I never said that song.
No, this is
This isn't
heaven.
even hell.
Hell is a world without
Oh,
Oh god.
oh, it's fat
Last
Jimmy.
Christmas, I gave you my heart, and the very next day, this year, to save me from tears, I
And
Jimmy's mom.
so we slipped into the insanity of a Carl Weezer.
The realm of
chat.
pure insanity.
For fuck's sake.
Man, what's the
I will ascend to demonhood, Jimmy. I will become immortal.
pill, Jimmy. That's a big ass black pill, Jimmy.
I don't want the black pill. The black pill.
Take the black pill, Jimmy.
Sheen, that's kind of cringe.
Gee, what the fuck are you doing here?
Carl with the gun.
Other Carl, why are you raping his
Finally,
wife?
no, guys, the timer's run out.
Someone send me the audio file.
Oh,
of
this
the
has been
Jimmy
an hour.
talk.
It has been an hour. The clock is stricken.
Oh.
Wow.
Give me the 10 minutes of audio.
I'm sorry, Carl. Must die. It has been an hour.
Can you give me like a clip of it?
He needs a fucking
Thank
boomer.
you, yeah. Yeah, please. Please do. Yeah, give me that, please.
Please, I want the
I'm gonna
Carl.
start living the fucking Sarah because of this.
We are now past the 1 hour mark, guys. Should probably stop.
No, it must continue. The almighty Carl of old must be awakened. The Dark One, the Ultra Lord in Carl form. He must
Carl
be
the
awakened for the
Ultra
deep
Lord.
dark of the ocean.
Get fucked, Sheet.
With
I
the
am the Lord now.
With the sacrifice of Sheen, I will ascend to godhood.
Of Sheen.
Why is there a cloaker? No!
Jimmy's a cloaker.
Get down, it's a cloaker!
Jimmy, don't act dumb.
Please, someone give me the clip of her popping off. I beg of you.
Funniest shit I've ever seen.
Please.
Funny shit I've ever seen.
Fucking Jimmy no Trump, but it's the
I
fake.
beg
Okay,
you,
now.
give me the clip already. I'm begging you.
Give me a sec. Yeah,
Stop taking forever.
yeah, look, I put it in voice text.
Oh, my ears. Ah.
Oh no, I'm down! The cloaker's kicking my ass!
I'm stuck.
for this
Forever.
police brutality.
We had the chance to reverse our voices, but now we are here.
We're too far gone.
Yeah. the
Dude.
metamorphosis is complete.
Oh.
Become part of the car life.
Ignore Jimmy, he's just an orange Dorito now.
Masturbate.
Oh, good lord.
I don't like his orange hair. Yeah, it's no.
You want a Sprite
No,
cranberry?
not the Sprite cranberry. No,
Oh,
it's
Sprite
kind of
cranberry?
cringe. He should have offered you a Coca-Cola like all the commercials. Yeah, I drink a Pepsi.
Me and Pepsi.
Honestly, both Coca-Cola and Pepsi are pretty good.
Or Sprite cranberry?
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I prefer the Coca-Cola vanilla. That's my favorite kind.
Oh my god.
I didn't catch what you said there. You kind of mumbled. Oh, that does
That's
sound
kind
pretty
of
good.
cringe.
No, it sounds pretty nice.
No, it's
I
cringe.
mean, no, I mean it's a mix the insanity is spreading. Soon the entire universe will be Carl. Now that's what I call a brain blast.
A brain blast.
Same.
Okay,
What's
you guys
wrong
need
with
to
your
take a
throat?
break.
No, you need to shut the fuck up,
Wow.
bitch.
At some
You're
point,
not
your
the
voices
boss
will
of
be stuck
me.
like this.
No, we'll be stuck this long. We're fine.
Flies.
Carl.
Here's a train.
Carl, if you continue, your stuck will be your voice will be stuck like this. It will sound like the fucking
Right.
the fucking Carl fucker your entire life.
I'd be okay with it, to be honest. And give me an up.
You would die a happy man as Carl.
My name is already Carl. I'm simply evolving.
I simply just came into my own.
You'll see how far you can evolve.
Someone give me the audio clip already. Come on.
Come on, man.
It's
Yeah,
new
you're
voice
taking forever.
text. Oh my god, alright, fine. Here, give me a sec.
Text Jimmy.
That's not the right audio file.
Which one do you want then?
I want the one where we're all popping off and going, wow.
Oh,
John,
Well, all right, Jimmy. I guess you are my little fuck, Jam.
what? No, I mean, like, I want